Ladies and gentlemen, this next match is our main event, and it is scheduled for one fall, and it is non-title action. Introducing first, all the way from England, weighing in at 198 pounds, he is the Air Show Jerico Scarbridge. His opponent from Los Angeles, California. Running at 36 pounds, he is the most magnificent men's DCWF Champion Mr Magnificent. Jericho going for him. Little bit of the personal issues in the match. Jerico Scarbridge had to take time off and rehab his arm and elbow. It was by Mr. Magnificent at WrestleFest. So he's looking to get a little payback here, and he's been going through his rehab, doing his training. He's in the best physical shape I've ever seen him. I mean, you could bounce a quarter off of his butt. And this one's getting ready to get started right now.
I mean, these two guys haven't even gotten in the ring yet. Like, you can tell how much animosity there is between the two of them. Like, before the match even actually really starts.
Yes, Kara, you can. You should try it. Barry to him. How does she not know this? And Jerico Scarbridge over the top ropes and on the outside of the ring, catching Mr. Magnificent, tossing him in the ring, waiting on the referee to ring the bell for this one. Jerico Scarbridge wasting no time, former DCWF World Heavyweight Champion, looking to get back into the action here. Things are heating up. And we are getting ready to head into Summer Madness. Summer Madness might be one of my favorite times to be here.
It looks like after that little scuffle at the start there, before the match started, we've got the ref has gotten everything under control again now, and the two men are in their corners, and it looks like he's ready to start the match properly this time.
I didn't say that I did bounce a quarter off of his butt. I said that you could.
And there's the bell, and we have an official start to the fight now. But Jericho again just kept going at Mr. Magnificent with big, like, blue falls press.
And Jericho taking the fight right to the SLCW champion. I don't know if he's looking to get back into the title scene or he's just looking to make a statement here, but bam, with the turbulence and a drop kick. Jerico Scarbridge is wasting no time. And honestly, when Jericho came back just before WrestleFest and went to WrestleFest, he trained hard and he worked hard, but he is in peak wrestling condition now. Maybe Michael putting him out of action for a little while was a good thing.
Well, I know Jericho did a lot of training. He posted the pictures all over Facebook and stuff of him training with other wrestlers and everything. Like he was going at it long and hard these past couple months.
And Mr. Magnificent finding himself in a bit of trouble. SLCW Men's Champion. His title's not on the line today, but if you want to talk about, pride and prestige and getting into somebody's head, Jerico Scarbridge could easily get into Mr. Magnificent's head if he beats him here in this non-title bout.
Isn't pride everything sometimes, or like just like proving to yourself and to everybody else that just because you didn't win once doesn't mean that you can't overcome the obstacle that you had before.
It's like the end of Rocky 3, right? When Rocky and Apollo do that private fight, sometimes you just gotta know. No cameras, no lights, no crowds, no belts. And now Jericho's sent into the corner. Jericho might find himself at the receiving end of some offense here finally as Mr. Magnificent starts to get it together. And now he's over there laying those knees into the gut of the Air Show up against that corner. He's in a bad spot now, and Jerico Scarbridge came out here hyped up, pumped, ready to go, and it looks like Mr. Magnificent is starting to take that momentum and wear it down. A bit of a foot choke.
Where's the ref on this one, though? Like, obviously, Mr. Magnificent's got his foot on Jericho's throat, and the ref ain't doing nothing about it.
He's telling him to get out. He said to get out.
Nah, that's not enough. You should be in there.
Well, maybe you don't want to get in between these two guys. His name is Dexter, for God's sake. How tough could he be? Now Michael dragging him to the center of the ring. Looking to do a little bit more damage, taking his time with the former DCWF World Heavyweight Champion now as Jerico Scarbridge trying to catch his breath and find a way to get some offense. Bad idea to Irish whip Jericho into a corner. Oh, and Michael catches him with that big spine buster and plants him into the mat. Yeah, but that was a TV show, dude.
Michael's going for a pin here, but I don't know that he's done enough damage to Jericho this early in the match to keep him down already.
This video I said former World Heavyweight Champion talking about Jericho.
Looks like only a 2 count.
Jericho manages to shut up, Pooh. Just shut up. Manages to get out of that one a little bit. Crowd chant for Jericho to get up now. And now you can say what you want. Oh, here's another pin attempt. And the referee, he got all the way to 11.
But 11 isn't 3, so Jericho still fought out of that. And still gets the match, still gets to keep going.
You know what it is? It's that damn umpire hood. I'm telling you right now. You can say what you want about Michael's behavior or his associations with the likes of Charlie Duffield and the Duffield clan. But no doubt about it, Mr. Magnificent won his title fair and square.
Mr. Magnificent going for another pin here. He's not giving up. He's trying to keep Jericho down, but Jericho just keeps fighting back out of that. Like, it's amazing how even after that like snap suplex and all that worked in the corner, that Jericho's able to keep going on like this.
If Jericho can take a beating, he is married to Kira after all. What?
And folks, we might have another match going on here. It's going to be Kira Scarbridge versus Numbers Rosini.
Well, see, if you come up here and smack me, you'll just prove my point.
Unfortunately, in the ring, though, for Jericho, it looks like his legs hurt a little bit, and that's not good for him because he uses those to do all his flying stuff. Because
Well,
he is the Air Show.
The strategy here for Michael is obviously to keep him grounded and keep him on the mat and wear him down bit by bit and come out of this one the victor. And Michael can do it. He's becoming a very slowly of a very good ring psychologist. Whether you like his his associations and his attitude or not, I mean he spends a lot of time with Sparky. Need I say more?
But Sparky's been around for such a long time now that like he knows. It's probably good for Michael to be around Sparky too because Sparky knows everybody and knows how they fight and stuff like that. So Sparky can tell Michael this stuff and like give Michael a heads up on like what might be happening, right? So it's it's a good friendship for Michael, that's for sure.
And for Michael's part, he gives Sparky cuddles.
Well, everybody needs cuddles.
Oh, yes, we do. Oh, and a big knee right to the chin of Jerico Scarbridge as he was coming off that Irish whip. Puts him back down on the mat. And the pin. Twelve count only.
Fucking bellend.
And just a 2 count. Just a 2 count. Somehow Jericho is able to keep fighting out his fall.
Yeah, only a 2 count. Michael arguing with the ref. That's never done anybody any good whatsoever. Jericho takes a minute, gets back up to his feet. And Michael again with the Irish whip. And Jericho fights out of the corner, gets the leg up there. Michael finding himself now at the receiving end as Jericho starts to get a second win in this match. Jericho came out strong in the beginning. Now he's trying to get back into this fight here. And another kick. And another kick, and Michael goes down yet again. Jericho top rope. Oh, and the splash. He connects. This has got to be it. In the pin. 2 count only as Jericho can't quite seal the deal. Michael manages to get a shoulder up at this main event non-title action here for with SLCW champion and Jerico Scarbridge. Jericho, like I said, he's looking better than I've ever seen him look before. He might just be at the peak of his career. And he's been around a while too. If it takes him that long to peak, jeez.
Ooh, and Jericho delivering the pain with a big STO. Followed up by a giant lion salt onto Mr. Magnificent there. Both men looking a little worse for wear. But they both also look like they're ready to keep fighting.
From watching the replay here, it looks like Michael got the knees up there just a little bit. He still took a good chunk of that hit, but he was able to deflect some and put a knee in the gut of Jerico Scarbridge. And Jericho is feeling the effects of that. That's the downside to Jericho's wrestling style, is it's all high risk. And you know, there's no like little mistakes. You know, every mistake you make is huge when you're flying off of the ropes like that, and you usually wind up paying for him. And Michael has got the offense back now, and Jericho once again finding himself at the mercy of the SLCW Men's Champion.
Mr. Magnificent going in for another pin. It looks like he's only going to get 2 again. Like, he's got to be getting frustrated at this point.
The 2 count only as the crowd begins to compare add-ons to their home. Oh, pancake flip. And Jericho's got the pin. Two count only as Magnificent manages to kick out of that one as well.
I mean, these 2 guys keep fighting and keep going and stuff, but, you know, you can tell by looking at them, they're both starting to get worn down, and it's starting to get to that point where it's just going to be like, who's got it?
It's hard to tell who's going to get the upper hand here. Michael's down on the mat, but Jericho is worse for wear as he can barely get up on his feet right now. But he's got Michael down, and now Jericho wants to wrap this up. He's over in the corner. He's getting himself worked up. He's getting himself psyched. He's up on the turnbuckle. And his brand new, the most exceptional, fantastical, magical, sensational elbow drop. Followed up with the pin. This could be it. 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, here is your winner, the Air Show Jerico Scarbridge.